In the bustling city of Biteville, a 16-year-old whiz kid named Mia was known for her unmatched skills in coding and programming. Mia had always been passionate about computers and had an uncanny ability to solve complex problems. One sunny afternoon, Mia received an invitation to participate in the citywide coding challenge, an annual event that tested the intelligence of young programmers from all over the city. Mia was excited and, with her laptop in hand, headed to the event. As the competition began, Mia noticed something unusual. She was given a riddle instead of a traditional coding problem. The riddle read, "In the world of ones and zeros, where logic and math compose, intelligence is not just code, but how life's puzzles are bestowed." Confused but determined, Mia thought deeply about the riddle. She realized that intelligence was not just about writing lines of code. It was about understanding the problem itself. Mia decided to approach the riddle with the same logical thinking she used in coding. She pondered the riddle, considering how logic and math played a role in her coding. Suddenly, it struck her like a lightning bolt. Intelligence was about applying logical thinking to real-life situations. She needed to analyze the riddle's components and solve it step by step. Mia started breaking down the riddle. In the world of ones and zeros, represented the binary code, the foundation of computing, where logic and math compose, indicated that intelligence involved logical reasoning and mathematical problem solving. Intelligence is not just code, emphasized that intelligence went beyond coding itself, but how life's puzzles are bestowed, revealed that intelligence was about approaching life's challenges with a problem-solving mindset. The judges were impressed with her unique interpretation and awarded her first place in the challenge. Mia had cracked the code of intelligence. It wasn't just about knowing how to code. It was about using logical thinking, math, and problem-solving skills to navigate the challenges life presented. Intelligence is not limited to computers but is a valuable tool that can help anyone succeed in any aspect of life. Is the ability to perceive or infer information, and to retain it as knowledge to be applied towards adaptive behaviors within an environment or context. A person with mathematical logical reasoning intelligence is able to regulate or process, measure, and understand numerical symbols, abstraction and logic. People who have strong logical mathematical intelligence enjoy puzzles, mysteries, and scientific experiments. Career paths include engineering, accounting, and computer programming. Linguistic intelligence, a person who has language processing skills both in terms of understanding or implementation in writing or verbally. People who have this intelligence like reading, writing, listening and speaking. Career paths include teaching, law, and journalism. Spatial visual intelligence, a person's ability to perceive the visual world and the relationship of one object to another. It is the ability to generate, retain, retrieve, and transform well-structured visual images. Understanding symbolic spatial tools such as graphs, maps, and diagrams are another facet of spatial ability. Career paths include architecture, art, and design. Intelligence, use of sensory organs to get awareness of the position and movement of body parts is kinesthetic intelligence. Key traits of kinesthetic intelligence include the following: strong gross and fine motor skills, strong bodily coordination, strong use of body language. Career options include firefighter, builder, dancer, and professional athlete. Musical intelligence is a person's ability to recognize and create sounds, rhythms, and sounds patterns. Musical intelligence pertains to strong musical and rhythmic abilities in the form of singing, playing an instrument, composition, and hearing musical patterns and tones with ease. Career paths include composing, teaching, and performing music. Intrapersonal intelligence, ability of self-awareness and knowing about one's own self, skills, abilities, weakness, etc. Careers include writing, philosophy, and theology. Theology is the study of religious belief. Existential intelligence is the intelligence relating to religious and spiritual awareness. The people with existential intelligence have the capacity to tackle deep questions regarding their human existence. Naturalist intelligence, ability to process information around the environment and nature. Career paths include farming, gardening, biology, and conservation. Interpersonal intelligence, ability to communicate with others by understanding other people's feelings, perception and influence. Career paths include counseling, politics, and sales.